Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and deadlines so you don't waste time later. Next, download the official syllabus and one recent question paper to spot topic weight. This shows where to focus. Create a realistic 6 to 9 month timeline with weekly targets and daily study hours. Once done, allocate subjects into core and optional buckets. Make sure to secure one standard textbook per core topic and one reliable question bank so you start practicing immediately. You now enter focus study blocks. Spend 2 to 3 weeks per major topic using active recall and spaced repetition so concepts stick. Pair reading with daily MCQ drills to translate knowledge into question-solving speed. Weekly full-length timed mocks simulate exam conditions and reveal weak areas. Make concept maps and concise formula or technique sheets. Revise them every third day. Once comfortable, start solving previous year's sections under time pressure, because application beats passive review and highlights gaps to fix. You're in the final stretch. Prioritize heavy revision and daily timed papers to sharpen speed and accuracy. Make an error log, revisit each mistake until you stop repeating it. Confirm your application, ID proofs, exam center, and travel arrangements well before the deadline so nothing surprises you. On exam day, pace yourself and answer high-confidence questions first. If things go wrong, isolate one recurring error type and drill 20 focused questions daily until your accuracy recovers. Consistency fixes most last-minute problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.